I don't entertain hate, get the last laugh. Interchange on
Now they suggest you, sorry for all the exterior noise, but they suggest you use this, spray a little bit on, then you rinse it off, and then you clean off. So, let's see. Ooh, it stinks. Look at that. But it's starting to change colors. Y'all saw that from the top to the bottom, it changed colors. Yeah, by the way, did get my buckets ready, so those are ready. Check this out. And I'm going to use a different cleaner also still probably. But watch the colors. Pretty dope. I'm gonna spray a little bit of this more on the front wheel because I did the other wheel a little bit more. Y'all know how I feel about this. Dang. Dang. I'm impressed. I gotta say, your boy in black is really impressed. You know what I mean? I'm used to getting down, cleaning the wheels, getting up in there with my finger, going hard, scrubbing. I'm used to that. I'm okay with that. I like doing what I do. Or in a better way, that's the family reunion t-shirt, just in case you ain't, just in case you ain't know. But anyway, I'm used to that. So this is really exciting. This is really exciting. Look at that. Whoa. Yeah, so as you can see, even though it don't got a whole lot of paint, it's still ceramic coated. And look at them beads, man. You can't mistake that. Underneath all that, I just rinsed all the excess dirt off. It looks pretty good. The wheels, I'm still like cheesing because of the wheels, and I only sprayed that one time, 2 times on the front, 1 time on the rear. That's expected because of the front brake pad dust is a little bit more. Man, now we're just gonna wash this thing. I'm gonna hit the wheels again just to get the extra stuff out. And yeah, stay tuned. All right, so for my DIYers, the Griot foam cannon, it's fun. It's not as soapy as I want it to be, but it's fun. Watch. Now, in my opinion, don't dilute your soap. Straight soap, no water. Put straight soap in here. It lubricates the surface the best. And if you put water in it, you will not get thick suds. You'll get watery ass subs, and suds you don't like it. So that's one side. This is what I do when I'm done with one side. That's 2 soaps. That's gonna take everything else down. As we can see, you still got soap falling off, but that's cool. We're gonna go ahead and rinse it off with one. All right, so we just did the body rinse off. It's getting dark. I'm gonna try to get y'all some more footage. The wheels look pretty good already. I'm just gonna touch them up. Y'all don't really need to see that. Look pretty decent. Look pretty good. Look at my family coming in.
Oh my God.
The girls, Kenzie, Kayla.
Hi, Daddy.
Yeah. Then you got the waddler. Little baby Boom in the belly. She's coming. But yeah, rad. I ain't even do the tires yet. Yeah. She trying to run, y'all. She trying to run. She don't want to show y'all her stomach, but it's there.
You know it's 50 degrees out.
She telling me it's 50 degrees out, like I don't know. Like I ain't built for this shit.
You think this will be big enough?
For you?
For
Look at that belly right there, y'all.
I know this one's for
It's a
you.
boy, y'all. It's a boy. You gotta love that. Alright, yeah, cool. I'm gonna wear that. Since we ain't allowed to wear hoodies at work, I'm gonna wear that at work. You know what I'm saying? Everybody been wanting to know where the cameraman at.
Hello?
Let YouTube know that you quit.
I quit.
You ain't been in the videos, man. They've been wanting to know where's your son at, man.
It's me. I haven't even been didn't like go when you recorded.
Come on, man. What you mean? What you mean what I mean? You want candid camera, bro. I got the iPhone 10 FaceTiming you, then I got the 11 Pro recording this for YouTube. So let them know, man. Let them know what's happening with the detailing company, man. Is we booming or is we booming?
Next summer.
Next summer, we popping off?
Yeah.
All right, man. And there y'all got it, man. Junior letting y'all know that it's on and popping again next summer for him. I'm gonna grind all winter. He a lazy dude. He gonna play football and then do basketball and then stick with the books, huh? You on your way home?
Yeah.
All right, man. You just missed 2 videos, man. I'm about to upload 2 videos tonight, man. Let them know what's popping, man. Tell them what it is and let them know where you can catch us at. Where can you catch our videos at? What's the YouTube channel?
Better Factor Black.
But dang, it is on drip.